He knocked on her door, heart burning with love. She asked, "Who is it?" He answered, "It is me," and she shut the door. What happened next is something only Rumi could teach.
He had wandered for months with a heart too full to hold. The scent of her presence haunted his days, his nights burned with longing. Every breath whispered her name. Finally, he could no longer bear the distance. With trembling hope, he arrived at the doorstep of the one he called his beloved. The garden was quiet, lit by the golden hush of dusk. He approached the door and knocked gently.
Who is it?
He straightened his tunic, heart racing.
It is me.
Silence followed. Then the voice spoke again, tender but firm.
Go away. There is no place here for someone who still sees himself as a part. When you no longer say I, when only love remains, return. Until then, you are not yet ready to enter.
Stunned, he stood motionless as the door remained closed. He had crossed deserts, climbed mountains in his mind to reach her. But now, she turned him away, not for lack of love, but for too much self. He turned and walked, his feet wandering through lands unknown. Seasons passed. He spoke with mystics and beggars, listened to stories of longing and union. He sat beneath trees in silence. He burned. He wept. He forgot the sound of his own voice. Slowly, the idea of himself began to dissolve like sugar in tea. And one day, as dawn broke across his path, he found himself again before the door he once left behind. He knocked softly this time, not with longing, but with surrender.
Who is it?
'Tis no one, only you.
Now you are ready. Now there is no you and me. There is only us. You have become what you loved.
She took his hand, and he stepped inside. Not into a house, but into himself. Into her. Into a love that had no walls, no names, no distance. They had never truly been apart.
This is not a story of romance, but of transformation. The lover's journey is the soul's path to dissolve the illusion of separateness. It is not enough to speak of love while the ego still clings to the I. True love demands the surrender of the self. O beloved, take me from me and fill me with your love. The lover was not rejected at the door. He was invited to die, not in body, but in ego, to burn in the fire of longing until nothing but love remained. When he returned saying, "I am no one," he spoke the language of unity. The door opened not because of who he became, but because of what he released. To love fully, we must let go completely. There is only one in the house of the beloved.
If this video touched your heart, subscribe. It's inspired by the timeless wisdom in the 7-book Rumi collection by Dr. Farid Mostaman. Whether you seek healing, love, clarity, or growth, these teachings will guide you inward to the truth of who you are.